Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 5 best tablet with camera available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable tablet, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. World Premiere DOOGEE T20 Ultra Tablet. With its astonishing 87.2% screen-to-body ratio and 7.0mm ultra-narrow frame, it presents a wider display and a more extraordinary visual enjoyment. The DOOGEE T20 Ultra Tablet offers you complete eye protection thanks to the TÜV Blue Light certification, assuring that you won't experience any discomfort or strain regardless of how much time you spend on using it. Equipped with quad-box stereo smart power speakers, the DOOGEE T20 Ultra tablet expands the sonic landscape, offering a broader and more captivating sound stage that will transport you into a truly immersive audio journey. The DOOGEE T20 Ultra tablet comes packed with a powerhouse 10800 mAh battery and supports 18 watts fast charging. Long-lasting battery life meets lightning-fast charging, ensuring that you never run out of juice when you need it the most. The metal unibody is oxidized and sandblasted for a subtle touch, with natural rounded corners that fit snugly in the palm of your hand. As light as 568 grams and with a thickness of only 7.6 millimeters, that you almost feel nothing while holding it. Number 2. DOOGEE T30s Tablet. Its revolutionary 7.6mm ultra-thin design embodies a fine balance between aesthetics and practicality, boasting a lightweight yet robust construction that guarantees durability and longevity. The camera frame of DOOGEE T30s is inspired by the eternal aesthetic of circles, symbolizing vitality of the round sun, eternal beauty of your moment. The introduction of round sun texture technology and micro-nanolithography process fully demonstrate the meticulousness of production and the designer's pursuit of creative perfection, bringing you closer to the vivid and frozen moments of photography, showcasing a sense of refined luxury and elegance. DOOGEE T30 Pro's sales skyrocketed as soon as it hit the market, and received an overwhelming wave of positive reviews. Based on the design inheritance of T30 Pro, we have infused some fresh inspiration to take things up a notch for T30s. The back of T30s is made of a combination of aluminium and plastic composite panels. The aluminium gives a slick look and great grip, while the plastic adds color and lightness for easy travel. With the 11 inches 2.4K IPS display on DOOGEE T30s, you'll check your documents, presentations, and graphics in remarkable clarity and precision. Enjoy crisp text, vibrant colors, and the ability to multitask with ease. With a sleek and minimalistic bezel, DOOGEE T30s ensures that you can focus solely on the stunning display before you, unobstructed by bulky edges. Number 3. HOTWAV R7 Rugged Tablet. Featured with IP68 and IP69K and MIL STD810H and 15600M ultra-large battery, HOTWAV R7 Rugged Tablet probably goes far beyond most other 4G LTE rugged tablet on the market. With design this rugged and durable, R7 is a perfect choice for a first rugged tablet that's built to last. As a strongly built product, R7 can well withstand water, dirt and shock, a reliable partner to have in harsh environments. HOTWAV R7 Industrial Tablet PC adopts a fully upgraded Android 13, which offers a host of new features and improvements, allowing you to enjoy smoother and more efficient operations. From enhanced security and privacy features to optimized performance and improved EDAP compatibility, the Android 13 OS provides a truly enhanced user experience, and HOTWAV R7 tablet also supports dual nano SIM cards or one nano SIM card plus one SD card. HOTWAV R7 Pixel tablet features a 10.1 HD plus Corning Gorilla Glass display with a resolution of 800x1280 pixels, screen ratio of 16:10. Whether you are working or watching, the wide field of vision and bright colors will let you see at a glance reduce your eye fatigue at the same time. The 16MP main camera lets you take stunning photos or record memorable moments in any light. The 16MP front camera lets you take great selfies and provides perfect clarity during video calls. Record the beauty of life at any time, anywhere. Number 4. CWOWDEFU Original 10.1-inch Android Tablet. 10.1-inch full-screen laminated multi-touch with thin bezels design, up to 80% screen occupation bringing a wider field of vision. IPS HD 1280x800 resolution, and 300 nits brightness display with more vibrant colors. Superb picture quality. Supports for business needs. Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi bands. With a lower latency and better network connectivity to always ensure a stable connection for working, high-definition movies, online videos and playing games with friends. Comes with a stable MTK 8183 octa-core processor running at up to 1.6 GHz. Ensuring smooth operation and the ultimate multimedia experience to multitask simultaneously whenever you like, greatly improving your speed experience in various usage scenarios. It can be expanded to 1 TB through TF card storage, and enjoy massive music, movies and games. 6000 mAh battery allows you to enjoy more than 12 hours on the go, with 18W fast charging that gets you back up to speed in a flash. Perfect for long-distance commuting, travel, reading, watching movies and TV, listening to music, whether you're remote learning or working or chatting with a friend. Take your video chats to the next level with high resolution, an ultra-wide camera. Number 5. World premiere DOOGEE T30 Pro Tablet. T30 Pro's 11-inch display is very bright and large, with near bezel-less edges. At 2.5K resolution, every media content on the T30 Pro is displayed with perfect color richness and vibrancy, making every moment more immersive. Perfect frames, a symmetric bezel, and an elegant finish are the words used to describe the T30 Pro. T30 Pro's dual-layer design blends style and function, with the frosted surface providing a secure grip. Aesthetics aside, the frosted part is practical in preventing slipping from your hands. Powerful 8-core performance, ready to run mainstream games at high settings. Armed with the MediaTek Helio G99, the most powerful chip on a tablet, the T30 Pro is extremely fast and power efficient. Start sharp and one step ahead of your opponent in any game of your choice. Fast and large storage to conveniently save all your files, music, videos, and documents.